morning, we're starting out with a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas at 300 dpi. Next, we're going to go over to our color palette and we're going to double tap down the darker colors to select the color black. Then we're heading over to our selection tool and we're going to tap that selection tool and make sure that we have rectangle and color fill selected. And once we do, we're going to go ahead and draw a rectangle at the bottom of our canvas, rather large, not too big, somewhere around half or less. And then we're going to put a little drawing of a rectangle at the top of the canvas, just like that. Next, we're going back over to the layer panel and we're going to add a layer on top. And we're going to go ahead and go back over to our selection tools and we're going to add 2 more rectangles, 1 to each side, just sort of like thin strips. And then we're ready to go over to our wrench, tap Add, and then tap Copy Canvas. Now we're ready to make our brush. So we're going to head on over to the brush panel there, and we're going to select a brush from the Essential Starts. And you can get this brush set for free at my site, and I will leave a link in the description below. Once you have this Essential Starters, we're going to go use the brush that is the Along the Path brush and slide it gently over to the left and then make a duplicate. And once we have our duplicate, we're going to tap the duplicate to open it and go into the brush studio. Once inside the brush studio, we're going to actually select the shape to change, and this brush will tell you whether it's the shape or grain that needs to be edited. So go ahead and tap Shape and then go over to Edit and then Import and then paste. And if it comes in and it's inverted, go ahead and just use 2 fingers, tap down, and you can invert the shape to be what you want. Once you're satisfied with that, you can tap Done. And then we're going to head up to the stroke path and change the stroke. And we want to adjust this for our frame, but we don't want it to be too crowded. So I found that 60% works pretty well. So when you're done and satisfied with that, you can tap Done. And now you're ready to go ahead and test your brush. So try out this nice little fun circle. It's great in different colors. And meanwhile, I hope your day is amazing. And also, just wanted you to know that this video right here is the video that YouTube thinks you'll be interested in watching next. Take care, everybody.